This dance class is fun!
Okay, one more time! And sumayaw, kumanta, humataw, buong katawan ikalaw-kalaw. Mag-exercise para masigla araw-araw. Wow, ang galing nyo ah! Ang bibilis ninyong matuto!
Bye, kids! Bye!
You're welcome! So that's it for today. Kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na dance class natin, ha? Bye! Olive, parang hindi ka nag-enjoy sa class natin.
Yeah. Para kasing ang galing-galing nilang lahat makasunod sa dance steps. Pero ako, laging huli yung steps ko. Laging mali.
Don't worry. We're just starting to learn the steps. Lahat ng bagay natututunan. You just have to be patient, Olive.
She's right.
Huh? Sige, Olive. Huwag ka nang malungkot, ha?
I'll try.
See you later, Olive.
Bye.
Today is a very special day because I will be announcing the best reader of the week. And look who dropped by to help me announce the winner.
Hello, kids! I'm so glad to see you!
Hi, kids!
Hey, you!
Okay, kids, handa na ba kayong malaman kung sino ang ating best reader?
Yup!
And our winner, I see...
Sana ako naman yung maging best reader for the week.
The winner is... Queenie! Congratulations, Queenie!
Queenie.
Here you go.
Meron pang i-a-announce si Jollibee.
That's right! Alam niyo bang magkakaroon ng art contest dito sa Jollytown?
Wow, art contest!
At lahat kayo pwedeng sumali! Magandang mga prizes!
Kaya, mag-submit na kayo ng inyong mga artwork simula bukas, okay? Uy! Soccer tayo! Sali!
Sali rin ako! Olive, sali ka sa amin!
Thank you na lang, Jollibee. I'll go home now.
Bakit naman? Tara! Masarap mag-soccer! Are you okay? You look sad. Sige na, tell me.
Akala ko kasi ako na ang magiging best reader for the week. Last week kasi, si Queenie na. 2 weeks ago, si Suzy. Nakakaingit.
I understand. Gusto mo rin na ikaw naman ang mag-excel, right?
Oo naman. Lagi na lang sila. Parang ako, hindi naman ako magaling sa kahit ano eh.
Don't say that, Olive. There will come a time when you two will know where you're really good at.
I don't think that will ever happen. Siguro nga, mas magaling si Queenie at si Suzy kesa sa akin.
Maybe you're right. Mas magaling sila sa'yo pagdating sa reading. But I'm sure you're great at something else.
Saan naman kaya yun? Parang di naman ako magaling sa kahit ano eh.
Huwag mong sabihin yan, Olive. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang galing.
Lahat tayo'y may kanya-kanyang talento. Lahat tayo'y may sariling talino. Sa singing, dancing, writing, or reading. Lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing.
Ano kaya ang galing ko o husay ko? Sa kanta ba, sayaw o pagbabasa? Sana malaman ko.
Kung mahusay ang iyong kaibigan, karapat-dapat na siya ay hangaan. Ngunit huwag maiinggit, dahil iba-iba tayo ng kakayahan. Lahat tayo'y may kanya-kanyang talento. Lahat tayo'y may sariling talino. Sa math o science, sports, or cooking, lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing.
Ano kaya ang galing ko o husay ko? Sa math, science, sports o pagluluto? Sana malaman ko.
Kung talento mo'y nais matuklasan, maraming bagay ay iyong subukan. Mag-ensayo ng iyong paborito at lalabas din ang husay mo. may kanya-kanyang galing.
Ano kaya ang
Husay mo ay tuklasin, pagkat lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing.
Sana malaman ko ang
Husay mo ay tuklasin, pagkat lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing.
Salamat na lang, Jollibee. Uwi na ako.
Ha? Teka, Olive.
Thanks for trying to help me, Jollibee. Bye.
Hi.
Wow! Galing nyo ah! Ang bilis ninyong matuto! Olive, don't worry. We're just starting to learn the steps.
The winner is Queenie! Alam niyo bang magkakaroon ng art contest dito sa Jollytown?
Kailangan manalo ako sa art contest bukas. I have to submit a very good artwork tomorrow.
Oh, baka mahilo ka niyan.
Hi, Kuya.
Bagong dance step ba yan?
Hindi, Kuya. I'm just thinking of...
Of what?
Kuya, can I ask you a favor? Please?
Nako, ano na naman yan?
May I ask you to draw something for me? Please?
Nako, nagpapakyut na naman tong little sister ko.
Please, Kuya. Sigurado namang kaya mo eh. Daddy always says that in this family, you're the most artistic.
Sige na nga. Oh, tell me what you want me to draw.
Olive, congrats ha!
Ang ganda ng ginawa mong artwork.
Talaga? Nagustuhan niyo?
Kids, we will now announce the winners.
Pretty.
Okay, ang ating third placer to be awarded by Yum, I see Joey! Congratulations,
Yeah!
Joey!
Good
And our
job,
second prize to be awarded by Twirly,
Yep.
I see Ella! Congratulations, Ella!
All right!
Congratulations!
And our first prize winner, Olive! Well done! Congratulations.
Great, Olive. Here you go. Sabi ko sa'yo, mag-e-excel ka rin sa ibang bagay.
Lahat tayo'y may kanya-kanyang talento. Lahat tayo'y may sariling talino. Sa singing, dancing, writing, or reading, lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing.
Right, Olive? Yeah.
Hi, Olive.
Yes, Kuya.
Oh, why do you look so nervous? Are you okay?
Me? Nervous? Hindi ah. Bakit naman ako na-nervousin?
Basta. Parang may iba eh. Are you sure you're okay?
Oo naman, Kuya. I'm perfectly fine. I'm happy.
Where's the drawing I made for you? Ihang natin.
It's with my teacher. I showed it to her. I'll bring it back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, ah?
I'm not nervous. I'm perfectly perfectly fine. I'm happy. I'm not nervous. I'm perfectly fine. I'm happy. This is not true. Maybe I'm just tired. Hindi totoo to! Hindi totoo to!
May alam ako! May alam ako! May alam ako! May alam ako!
Nagsasalita ka?
May alam ako! May alam ako!
Bakit? Maganda naman ang artwork ko ah. Dapat lang akong manalo, no?
Wala naman ako sinasabi Pinagawa mo lang yun sa Kuya Sunny mo, while the other kids made their own drawings. Tama naman ako, di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Tama ako, di ba? You didn't tell them the truth, Olive. Sa teacher mo, yung classmates mo, they need to know the truth. Eh kung ako na lang kaya magsabi. Tama, ako na lang magsasabi. Okay lang yun. Sasabihin ko sa kanila ang totoo.
It was just a dream. A bad dream. Oh no! Totoo pala!
Hello? Saan mo ako dadalhin?
I have to get rid of this trophy.
Wag!
I have to get rid of this trophy.
Oh, Olive, why are you running? And why are you carrying your trophy? Sana magsabi ka ng totoo. Nagsasalita ka? Olive, magsabi ka na ng totoo. Nagsasalita ka nga. Olive, what is he talking about?
Kasi, Jollibee, I did something wrong.
Tama yan. What?
Yung pinasa ko kay Teacher Marie.
Sabihin mo ang totoo.
Hindi naman ako yung gumawa nun eh. Pinadrawing ko kay Kuya Sunny.
Ha? Kaya ba siya nagsasalita? Nako, Olive, what you did isn't right.
I know.
Well, it's a good thing that you told me, but you have to do something about it. Baka dapat aminin mo kina Teacher Marie at sa mga classmates mo yung totoo.
Dapat kong gawin yon?
I know it's hard, pero dapat kang umamin kasi nagsinungaling ka sa kanila. Okay, Olive. Nagawa mo yun kasi gusto mo rin mag-excel. Gusto mong ikaw naman ang manalo sa art contest. Pero di ba, Olive, sabi ko naman sa'yo, sa ibang bagay, siguradong magaling ka rin. Tamang oras ating hintayin. Sana hindi na rin mainggit si Olive. Hey, the well is working! Whoa! Whoa!
Soccer ball? Aanin ko naman to.
Wow! Maybe the well is telling us something. I think so too. Come on, go ahead, try it. Wow! Galing mo pala, Olive! Galing ah! Go, Olive! Woohoo! Galing! Sige pa! There you go! Wow! Let's go get it! Boy!
Yeah! Yeah!
Morning, everyone!
Kick the ball! Come on, Olive, pass it here! Look at her, guys!
Olive!
She's so good!
Ang galing!
Ang galing! Look at that! How did you do that?
Soccer? Ha? Me? Olive, join ka sa amin! Ha? Sige. Pero first time ko mag-soccer, ha?
Talaga? Eh, ang galing mo na eh.
Teammate na namin si Olive, ha? Kulang kami. Sige!
There you go! Kick the ball! Ang galing mo pala mag-soccer, Olive!
Nagulat na lang din ako eh. I haven't played soccer before. I didn't know I'd be good at it.
Hindi ba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, lahat tayo'y may kanya-kanyang talento. Lahat tayo'y may sariling talino. Sa singing, dancing, writing, or reading. Lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing. Let's go?
Ha? Saan?
Ihahatid na kita sa inyo. Maybe it's time for you to tell your Kuya Sunny the truth.
Dapat kong gawin yon?
Kaya mo yan!
Okay. Sorry na. I know I tried to throw you away. I tried to get rid of you. Sorry na talaga. Kasalanan ko naman kasi talaga eh. Nagsinungaling ako sa teachers at classmates ko. Nagkunwari ako ang nag-drawing nung pinasa ko sa art contest. Kuya, narinig mo? Sorry, Kuya.
Alam mo, hindi tama ginawa mo. But it's good that you've realized that what you did was wrong.
I want to make it right, Kuya.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, kids.
Thank you, Jollibee.
Sure, teacher.
Take your seats.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Jollibee, please stay.
Well, okay, Olive. I'll stay.
Teacher Marie, may gusto lang po ako aminin sa class.
Aminin? Bakit dala mo ang trophy at ang certificate?
Isusoli ko na po.
Susole? Bakit?
Kasi po may mali po akong ginawa. Yung artwork po na pinasa ko, hindi naman po talaga ako yung nag-drawing. I asked my Kuya Sunny to draw for me, but he didn't know that it was for an art contest.
Eh, bakit mo naman sinabi sa mga classmates mo na ikaw ang gumawa ng artwork na yon?
Kasi po, gusto ko din po manalo. Lagi na lang po kasing iba ang best. Iba ang excellent. Pero
Go on.
Pero tama si Jollibee. Dapat wag akong mainggit. Kung mahusay ang iyong kaibigan, karapat-dapat na siya ay hangaan. Ngunit huwag maiinggit, dahil iba-iba tayo ng kakayahan. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang talento. Lahat tayo may sariling talino. Sa singing, dancing, writing, o reading, lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing. Husay ko'y tutuklasin, Pagkat lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing. Husay ko'y tutuklasin, pagkat lahat ay may kanya-kanyang galing.
Yahoo!